Okay, guys, today we're working on division still, but we're using the array and the area model. I'm going to work 5 examples for you. It's nice to have notebook paper if you don't have graph paper because at least you have a few lines here to keep things straight. And so your homework today is going to ask you to use an area model. You can't really show it digitally on the assignment you're turning in to me. So I suggest you draw your answers out, okay? And that way you'll be able to know how to do this. You really need to practice the area model. You're going to see it on testing, so you need to understand it, and you understand it by doing it. So make sure you're not just working the problem out. Draw the area model, draw an array when it asks you to do that. It'll help you understand this better. Later on, we're going to be able to just divide. But you need to be able to know how to do these things. So the first two ask us just to use an area model. 18 divided by 6 using an area model. So we're going to need to have 6 lines here. So let's just do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. Okay. 6 lines. Now we've got to do 18 boxes. So let's go ahead and make these 6 boxes. All right. Keeps it kind of neat on these, keeping it on your notebook paper like this. So there's 6 boxes. And I need to count over 6 more till I get to 18, remember? So do my 6 more boxes. Okay. So what's 6 boxes and 6 boxes more? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 times 6 is 12. Let's do our 6 more boxes. Oh, a little messy on that one. And so we have 6, 12, and 12 plus 6 is, guess what? 12 plus 6 is 18 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 boxes. So how many groups of 6 in this area model did it take to get 18 boxes? It took 3 groups of 6 to get 18 total boxes. So our quotient is the answer. 18 divided by groups of 6 is 3. And do we have any boxes left over? No, it worked out evenly, so the remainder is 0 on this problem. All right? Now think about our area when we worked on area and perimeter. Remember, area was length times width. Length times width. 6 times 3 is 18. So there you go. That's why it's called the area model. All right, let's look at this problem. 19 divided by 6. Now, do you notice anything about these first 2 problems? 18 divided by 6. 19 divided by 6. We know it's going to go 3, and there's going to be how many left just looking at it? 19's 1 more than 18, but we've got to draw it out. So we're going to do exactly the same thing. 1 line, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. Takes a little time to draw it. That's okay. All right. Now we got to keep going until we get to 18. So 2 times 6. 2 groups of 6 is 12 boxes. 3 groups of 6. We just figured that out, didn't we? 3 groups of 6 is 18 boxes, but we've got to get to 19. So 6, 12, 18. We've got to have 1 more box to equal 19, don't we? So if we were to write a number in each one of these, it would show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we've got those 19 boxes, and dividing them into groups of 6, it gives us 3 groups of 6. But we have this little remainder over here of 1 box left over. So our remainder is 1. It's not so hard, is it? Okay, let's go to the next problem. And the next few problems ask us to use both an array and an area model. So the array model, remember we can do groups of 3 until we get to 29. So I want to do that kind of down here. So I'm going to go just count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 is how far I've got to go. And now let's put them in groups of 3. One group of 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many's left over? 2. So we know the answer is going to be, the quotient is going to be 9 with a remainder of 2. But it also wants us to show that in the area model. So I'm dividing by 3. So this time I'm using these 3 lines. I'm going to give myself plenty of room here. 1, 2, 3. All right. But I've got to go all the way to 29. So better draw these pretty small, hadn't I? There's 3. 3 and 3 more is 6. Another group of 3 would make 9 boxes. Another group of 3 would make 12 boxes. Another group of 3 would be 15. 15 and 3 more would be 18. 18 and 3 more would be 21. 21 and 3 more would be 24. 24 and 3 more would be 27. And then I got to get 28, 29. Let's make sure we've got 29 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 boxes. So how many groups of 3 do we have? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 9 groups of 3, and then we've got how many left over? We've got a remainder of 2. Is that what we put over here? 9 groups of 3, quotient of 9, with a remainder of 2. It shows the same thing here, doesn't it? Here's the array. Here's the area model. Pretty simple. Just a lot of drawing today. Okay, let's look at this next problem. We've got 22 this time, and we're dividing into groups of 5. So an array model, I'm going to do it down here again. We'll count by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I'm doing groups of 5. 26, 27, 28. Wait a minute. I only had to go to 22. What are you doing, Mr. Hilton? I was going to 29 like the last problem. So let's get rid of these. Okay. So 1, 5, 10, 15, 20. All right. So there's 20, and then I'll have 21, 22. So sorry about that. Messed up there. How many groups of 5 do I have? 1 group of 5, 2 groups of 5, 3 groups of 5, 4 groups of 5 makes 20. Then I've got these 2 right here. So I've got 4 groups of 5 with a remainder of 2. Sorry, that looks kind of messy. That's why you should use a pencil when you're doing assignments at school. Quotient is 4. Our answer would be 4, and our remainder would be 2. But now we need to show that on the area model, and hopefully Mr. Helton won't mess that up. Okay, I'm not counting to 29 this time. So we've got to go to 22, and we're doing it by groups of 5. So we've got to have 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put 5 here, and let's make our boxes. There's one group of 5. 2 groups of 5 would be 10 boxes. 3 groups of 5 would be 15 boxes. 4 groups of 5 would be 20 boxes, and then we need 2 more. 21, 22. All right. So I've got 20 boxes plus 2 boxes. So how many groups of 5 did it take? 1 group of 5, 2 groups of 5, 3 groups of 5, 4 groups of 5 with the remainder of 2 boxes. Is that what we got? Sure is. 4, remainder 2. Okay. Now, next one, 43 boxes. Oh my goodness. 43 divided by 4. We'll give us a big one for this last one. So I'm going to do groups of 4 down here for my array. What's an array and an area model? So here we go. I got to count till I get to 43. I don't want to mess up this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, I got to do it in groups of 4. 4, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Okay. So how many groups of 4 do I have? I've got 1 group of 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've got 10 groups of 4, and then I've got these 3 left over. So that would mean 43 divided by 4 is 10 groups with a remainder of 3. Oh boy, now we get to show that in the area model. I really better save myself some room for 43 boxes. We're putting them in groups of 4 this time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to make these boxes pretty small, okay? Because we have a lot of room we've got to cover. So divide them into groups of 4. 1 group of 4. 2 groups of 4 is 8. 3 groups of 4 is 12 boxes. 4 groups of 4 is 16 boxes. 5 groups of 4 is 20 boxes. 6 groups of 4, 6 times 4 is 24 boxes. 24 and 4 more is going to be 28. Still not there. We got to go all the way to 43. 28 and 4 more is 32. 32 and 4 more would be 36. 36 and 4 more would be 40. We've got to have 43 boxes, so 41, 42, 43. So now we have to ask ourselves, how many groups of 4 boxes did we take for this area model? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 groups of 4. We had these 3 left over, so a remainder of 3. Is that what we got? 10, remainder 3. Okay, so that's how to solve division problems with remainders using an array and the area model. So you've got to see plenty of examples today. Now get some notebook paper out and go try this and do today's homework assignment. Good luck. We'll see you later.